Are you pressing your garage door remote but nothing happens? This common frustration often stems from dead batteries, interference, or the need for reprogramming. If you're in the Haywards Bay area and your garage door remote isn't responding, it's time to call in the experts. Reach out to us at 0409774111 and let our team of qualified professionals get your remote back in working order. Don't let a faulty remote disrupt your daily routine. Call today for fast, efficient repair services that restore access and peace of mind.